Oh, I'm on. You hear the? I'm on, Alex. Alex. Oh, fight. Yeah. I'm not. Move, move, move. Get off, get off, get off. No, almost came off. There's 3 more in the back that are trying to eat. Throw it out. You guys see that? You guys see that? All right, let's get him back in the water. Them shiners do their thing.
Oh my god. You
fat mouth. Close your bill. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Yes. Oh, it's a big one. He's drag.
more that way, more that way.
Oh, oh my god.
He's big, he's big, he's big, he's big. Chill, 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 don't pull him. Go, he's right there, he's right there.
Oh my god, he's huge. Oh my god, he has a huge hump. You gotta keep the tension. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. No, no. Oh, I lost him. No. Good. Yes. Yes. Let's go.
Infected?
Yeah, the last 2 I caught, they have some green there on their tongue, and it's like broken. You guys see this guy? Guy got a fat mouth. Fat mouth right there. He's probably like 2.5 pounds with a big hump on there. All right, let's get him back in the water. Fat hump right there. Oh, there's something on. Alex, grab it. Walk back, walk back, walk back. Just start walking back. Don't reel. Just walk back. Just walk back. Oh, it's big. It's big. It's big. Walk back. All right, now fight it. Make sure if it jumps, keep tension. So, all right, just, yeah. Pull up, reel down. There you go. There you go. Exactly like that.
Here, record this.
We're already recording. I've been recording. I could just clip it. Oh, he's big. Don't reel. Don't reel. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Don't reel if it's spinning. All right. Just keep pulling. Reel down, pull up. All right, you got him. Just pull him back. There you go. Wait, you want to put your big mine. I know.
Should I move?
Yeah. Oh no, hopefully I get the off. Let him jump. Yo, jump. Yo, I'm usually like fighting them, but get your up here. Get your, nope. Nope. Get your oh, get on the phone. Got him. Nope. 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 Nice little peacock. Let's get him back. There he is.